Let's get it right. So basically, all we want is we want to do absolute reference into another sheet. And before we go to that, we just created another sheet called another sheet. And that sheet is reference to the class list, similar to the way that we reference to the class list. So continuing from there, we've just added another cell that say it's going to be absolute reference to B15. So in here, we want to first of all reference to the sheet that we are interested in. That is maybe the class grades sheet. And in the class grades, we want to say we want to divide our column cell D3 or each of these contents in the D column. So we'll go for D3, and I want to divide that by can go to the other sheet. Current cell D3 divided by absolute.
B15.
Thanks for remembering. B15.
15.
And probably I need a column. I need this there, but it's getting fancy. Let's hope it doesn't. Oh, there's always a B. That's where we're missing. B15. Let's hope it doesn't scream at us. It screams at us. Let's see. Let me make it simple first. Ah, that's where it is. And dollar. I don't know why I did that, but put that there. Screams at us. Yep. Divide by 0. Where's D3? Shifting to on the oh, and B15 is not divided by 0. So let's put, I know why it's happening now. Let's for now, let's put B15 here. What was the value again? Because I can't carry on.
84.
Sorry?
84.
The value on.
Yeah, we've got it now. It's okay, we've got it now. So that's absolute referencing in the current sheet. Of course, we can make it longer and add it, but let's go with this for now. So we just dividing that by B15. We can go back there and reference it as well. If anybody wants to do that fancy referencing. So if I go across, we've got the same from the D13 being divided by the current B15. Anyway, so just the idea that we can play with absolute referencing and other types of referencing to make life really easy for us, because now if we want to change something, I just have to change this to, I don't know, 10, and it just simply divide by the content there by that. But in terms of cells we are referring to, we have this current one, and I'll go to the other one, and then we have also the content, the D3. Right, so I'll pause here again, see if we have more questions. I'll stop this